Hello guys, we want to teach you how you can change your color selection mode. And then we have different color selection, CMYK, RGB, like that. So first of all, let's go to your image here. Come to image, come to mode. And then you have RGB selection. That means that it is already on RGB. And then if you want to change it now to CMYK, you can change it to CMYK. And then changing it to lab color. Lab color means that when you want to print it for a physical print for a lab, a studio lab where you have hard copies of your images. So right now, these are the list of sections in which you can make your changes. You can now change it to CMYK color, and then it asks you to choose a different profile or convert it to that profile, meaning that you can change it from that is from US web create and swap versus profile. Then this may not be what you want to intend, but change the profile, use edit, convert to profile. Just anyway, and if you don't want it doesn't really affect the image, but just click on OK. It will actually change without even telling you to go ahead and change. That is, but for other versions of Photoshop, it will require you to go ahead to make those changes like that. So thank you, and then subscribe for more tips.